Good morning students. Last class we have seen about the topic, first topic biotechnology. What is biotechnology? What are the techniques are involved in biotechnology? What is the main difference between the normal conventional technology and modern biotechnology? Okay. So next fermentation process. What are the bioreactors are involved in the genetic engineering process? Okay. In today's class we are discussing about the new topic, single cell protein and genetic engineering. So what is the meaning of the single cell protein? What is single cell protein means? Single cell proteins are dried microorganisms. Okay, what is single cell protein? Single cell proteins are dried microorganisms that are used as a protein supplement for human food and animal feed. Okay, so what is a single cell protein? Single cell protein is otherwise called as the SCP. What is the meaning of the SCP? Single cell protein. Tamil Tani cell புரதம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so what is single cell protein? Single cell proteins are the dried microorganisms. Okay, single cell proteins are single cell proteins are dried microorganisms. Okay, so what is microorganisms? Already you know microorganism knowledge. It's very small organism. Okay, it is not visible our naked eye. Only you can see, only you can through the help of microscope. Okay, microscope valiya da paaka mudiyum. What are the microorganisms? Maybe virus or bacteria or some algae. Okay, these are the microorganisms. Okay, what is single cell protein? Single cell protein are the dried microorganisms. Okay, so dried microorganisms அப்படிங்கறப்ப வந்துரும். So that are used as the protein supplement. Its main important thing என்ன that are used as the protein supplement. What is protein? Protein supplement. அதாவது புரோட்டீனுக்கு மாற்றாக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடியது. ஓகேவா? That is called protein supplements. Because the single cell protein has some nutritive value, high nutritive content of protein. Okay, so what are the nutritive value அப்படினா? First one, protein, high nutritive content of protein, and carbohydrate and fat and lipids. Okay, and essential amino acids. Okay, so next some vitamins and minerals also present. Okay, vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins and some minerals also present. So it is very useful for, not only useful for animals, so animal food mattum use pannala, it is mainly used for the mainly used by astronauts. What is astronauts? Astronauts na yarma? So astronauts na vinveli veerargal solluvaalla, so avanga da astronauts use பண்றாங்க. So next Antarctica expeditions அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So Antarctica ல வாழக்கூடியவங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So why we are using the single cell protein அப்படினா, it has high nutritive value. Main thing is the first என்னதா single cell protein அப்படிங்கறதுனால, so protein content is more compared to the other food. Okay, the not only protein content, some vitamins and carbohydrates, some essential amino acids also present, glycine, lining. So essential, I already know the amino acids names. Okay, so glycine, lining, phenylalanine, tryptophan, so methionine. So now amino acids also present, so and some vitamins and minerals also present in the single cell protein. So we are so mainly uses astronauts and human beings and animals. Okay, so what is single cell protein? So it is nothing but single cell proteins are the dried microorganisms. What are the microorganisms are used in the single cell protein அப்படினா, especially the bacteria oda name, the first name Methylophilus methylotropus. The bacteria oda name, what is the name of the bacteria? Methylophilus methylotropus. This is a bacteria name. Okay, so next one, Cellulomonas alkalogens. What is Cellulomonas alkalogens அப்படிங்கறது? Fungi. Okay, some fungi also are used in the single cell protein because more amount of protein content is present compared to the other food in fungi. Okay, so next one, Ascaris and Cambyses. Ascaris அப்படினாலே நமக்கு ஒன்னோட ஞாபகத்துல என்ன வந்துரும்? So Ascaris அப்படிங்கறதுனாலே that is a fungi. Some algae, Spirulina, Chlamydomonas. Okay, so what are the algae are used அப்படினா? What are the algae name? Spirulina. So next, Chlamydomonas. What is a Spirulina? Chlamydomonas are the unicellular algae, already you know. So the Chlamydomonas Chlamydomonas. Okay, some of the algae are used as a single cell protein. Okay, so what are the names? So the names is very important, students, because all the names are new names. One or two names only already you study in the lower classes. So you have to learn thoroughly all the names. Okay, it is very important for the one-word session. Okay, the first one Methylophilus, Methylotropous. So second one Cellulomonas and algae gens. So next Agaricus, Canipastris. So algae name Spirulina and Chlamydomonas. Okay, so next the spirulina, the algae main, the spirulina can easily grow. Okay, can easily grow on some waste materials like potato processing plants. Okay, so they எப்படி prepare பண்றாங்களா, especially the algae spirulina can easily grow. So especially the algae spirulina can easily grow on waste material. Waste material means waste material. So like potato processing plants. What is the meaning of the potato processing plants? Potato processing plants. So what is the meaning of the potato processing plants? அப்படினா அதாவது potato அப்படினா what is mean of potato னா என்ன தமிழ்ல உருளைக்கிழங்கு ஃபேக்டரியில இருந்து வரக்கூடிய some waste product also used for the preparation of the algae spirulina. So what are the waste product என்னென்ன present ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படினா mainly அதோட sewage-ல so large amount of வந்து starch present ஆயிருக்கும். potato அப்படினாலே main ingredient அதுல என்னது starch தான். and some molasses னா அதோட சக்கையன்னு சொல்வாங்க, molasses present ஆயிருக்குது. ஓகேவா? some carbohydrate and vitamins also present. These are the substrate and growth medium for the spirulina. So what is growth medium? The potato processing plants waste material and molasses and starch also it's a main ingredient product of the spirulina. So அதோட base maker தான் இந்த spirulina வந்து உருவாக காரணமாகுது. ஓகேவா? So what are the ingredients and what are the important protein present in vitamins, minerals, some essential amino acid, carbohydrate are present in the spirulina. Okay, the maximum pathina the astronaut விண்வெளி வீரர்கள்லாம் வந்து tablet formingல எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. என்ன the spirulina single cell protein, because நம்மளோட உடம்புக்கு building block நம்மளோட protein is very for essential for our body. Okay, so it is very helpful for our amino acid. protein அப்படினாலே include the amino acids. So 20 amino acid makes single protein already you know. So I mean all the essential amino acids are needed for our diet. So we can take the spirulina அப்படினா so இது ஏதா it is a protein supplement அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. புரோட்டீனுக்கு மாற்று உணவாக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய so one of the product. Okay, this is a single cell protein. Okay, next, so what are the applications of single cell protein? What is the uses or application of single cell protein? The first one, it is used as the first it is used as a protein supplement. Okay, what is the application? Applications very important one. So what are the applications? The first one, applications are uses or பயன்பாடு are uses. Okay, first one, it is used as protein supplements. It is used as protein supplement. So okay, the second one, it is used in some cosmetics product for healthy hair and skin. Okay, so next it is used in some cosmetics. So what is cosmetics? Cosmetics na enna solluvom, alagu sadhana porungal solluvola, that is called cosmetics oda cosmetics products. Cosmetics products such as hair and skin. Okay, so next one, third one, it is used it is used as a excellent some nutrition content present, excellent for healthy tips, health use agadiya. So for example, it is mainly used for the feeding purposes, not only cattle feeding, animal food, and human beings food. Okay, so it is mainly used for the food, animal feed and human oda food ku use பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? because so many industries are used as the product. இந்த product நிறைய industry யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. so what are the industries அப்படினா mainly for the food industries, prepared in ready made soups. so involved. அதெல்லாம் வந்து என்ன செய்றாங்க, அதுல வந்து உள்ள இன்வால்வ் பண்றாங்க. So next person in ready to serve food materials. Ready to serve அப்படினா it ready to serve. Ready to serve. Ready to serve food materials. Okay, ready to serve food items அப்படினா for example இப்போ உடனே prepare பண்ண ready to serve அப்படினா உடனே prepare பண்ணக்கூடிய soup item இருக்கு இல்லையா, some soup preparations இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் single cell proteins mainly used. Okay, so next one பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in diet recipes because more amount of protein content is present. Okay, so diet is very very essential protein. Okay, protein food is very very essential, so it is mainly used for the diet recipes. நிறைய diet recipes க்கு single cell proteins ரெஃபர் பண்றாங்க, diet recipes. Okay, so next பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is used as a industries. What are the main industries அப்படினா paper processing industries and leather processing industries also use the single cell protein. Okay, so next one paper process mainly it is used in industries. What are the industries அப்படினா paper industry, leather industry, paper industry and leather industry. Okay, these are the main important use of the single cell protein. Have you understood what is single cell protein, or what are the microorganisms are used in single cell protein? So how to make a spirulina? So next, what are the applications of single cell protein? Do you understand? Okay, what is single cell protein ma? Single cell protein is a dried mass of microorganisms that are used as a protein supplement. Okay, mainly uses the animal food and human beings food. Okay, so what are the main ingredients are present in the single cell protein? Mainly high value, the nutritive value as a protein content is more compared to the other food. Okay, so next carbohydrate, fat and lipids and essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals also present. So okay, so we are used as a food protein supplement. Okay, so next what are the microorganisms involved? Single cell protein are dried microorganisms. Okay, dried microorganisms, so microorganisms are used in the single cell protein process. So what are the microorganisms used? Microorganisms are, it is very very small organisms. What are the microorganisms? Algae, maybe fungi or bacteria, fungi, some algae. So the bacteria, the first name of the bacteria name Methylophilus methylotropous bacteria use agum. So next the algae oda name pathina Cellulomonas, fungi oda name Cellulomonas algalis. Next, so common algae name is Chlamydomonas algae and Spirulina algae use agum. Okay, so next Spirulina can be grown easily on the waste products. Like what are the waste products? Potato processing unit, potato processing plant. So potato processing plant la enna present aayirkum appadina starch present aayirkum, straw and molasses also present. So easily grown the spirulina molecule. So essential amino acids and nutrition also present in the spirulina. So what are the applications of spirulina? Mainly is used as a protein supplement. Okay, not only used for the animal feeding, it also used as a food for human, because many Austronetics and Antarctica variations also use the single cell protein food. Okay, so next it is used in the cosmetics product, like a hair, skin product, hair product use பண்றாங்க. Next it is used as animal feed and it is ready to it is mainly used as some industries. What are the industries அப்படினா paper industries and leather industries. Next food items la what are the food items? Ready to serve food items, diet recipes la use ஆகுது. Okay வா? So next it is a vitamin carrier. ஏன்னா விட்டமின்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கும். So the protein carrier na because protein amount is more. Okay, these are the main important applications of single cell protein. Have you understood? Okay, so next topic, genetic engineering. Okay, next already you know that technology, more conventional technology and modern technology. What is the main difference between the conventional biotechnology and modern biotechnology? Already you learned in previous classes. Okay, in today's topic, the genetic is engineering. Below that, what are the category kila varum appadina below the category of modern biotechnology. Okay va, because modern biotechnology genetic engineering sollalam or recombinant DNA technology or recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. So recombinant DNA technology, or our DNA technology டெக்னாலஜின்னு சொல்லலாம், ஆர் ஆர்டிஎன்ஏ டெக்னாலஜி. ஓகே, ஆர் ஆர்டிஎன்ஏ டெக்னாலஜி, ஆர் ஜீன் மேனிப்புலேஷன் டெக்னிக். ஓகே, ஆர் ஜெனட்டிக் இன்ஜினியரிங். ஸோ அதுக்கு எத்தனை பேர் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துக்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ மெனி நேம்ஸ் ஜீன் மேனிப்புலேஷன் சொல்லலாம். ஸோ what are the main technique are involved in genetic engineering field? இப்போ recombinant RDNA இதெல்லாம் என்ன டெக்னிக் மெயினாக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க மாடர்ன் டெக்னாலஜின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஸோ recombinant DNA. ஸோ what is the meaning of the recombinant DNA அப்படின்னா, ஸோ மாடர்ன் டெக்னாலஜி யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய மெயின் டெக்னிக், அதோட ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் நேம் தான் recombinant சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இதில் recombinant of gene between the homologous chromosome, அதாவது இதில் என்ன மாற்றுவாங்க இந்த டெக்னிக்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, specific gene transfer from one bacteria to another. என்ன பண்ண போகிறாங்க, specific gene transfer from one bacterium to another bacterium with the help of vector. Okay, mainly gene transfer from mainly gene transfer from one bacterium to one organism to another organisms through vector. Okay, so what is the meaning of the vector? Vector it is act as a carrier அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Act as a carrier. What is carrier? Carrier na inga irundhu carry panni eduthu pogudiyadhu. That is called carrier. For example, mosquito act as a carrier of which disease? Malaria disease. Because the malaria disease is caused by Anopheles mosquito, but commonly it is a protozoan. It is not a mosquito disease. It is commonly protozoan disease. Okay, it is commonly called as a protozoan disease. Okay, so disease oda name enna micro adoda caused by enna protozoan da. Okay, the protozoan cause panni carry panni eduthu poradha enadhu mosquito. So it is act as a vector or carrier. Okay, edu carry panni eduthu pogodho that is called vector or carrier. So in that mosquito act as a vector. Okay, because the disease, what is the disease name? Malaria. So the same method da. So vector is meaning it is act as a carrier அப்படினா அங்க இருந்து கேரி பண்ணி அதை எடுத்துட்டு போறது. So this is the protozoan disease. Carry பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போறது என்னதான்? So Anopheles mosquito. So it is called a malaria disease. Okay, so the gene transfer from one bacterium to another organism. One organism to another organism through vector. Okay va? So ஒரு organism இந்த டெக்னிக் பேர் தான் என்னன்னா, what is this technique mainly the technique oda name genetic engineering or DNA, recombinant DNA technology. So RDNA, new DNA. Okay va? So the first part அப்படினா, so what are the first step அப்படினா isolation of plasmid DNA. Okay, so first என்ன வேணும் அப்படினா, the first technique என்ன வேணும் அப்படினா isolation of plasmid DNA. What is the meaning of the plasmid DNA? So new DNA, so interested DNA and DNA containing gene of interest. So DNA அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? It is a nucleic acid, and the nucleic acid inside the nucleic acid cells control all the activities. Okay, so the DNA is very essential for all organisms, not only human beings, even plant and small animals and lower organisms also. It is very essential for the very essential important of DNA illama edume kedaiyadhu. So andha alukku DNA is very important. Okay va? So because the DNA is control all the activities. Okay, so the isolation of plasmid DNA. Okay va? First edha isolate பண்றாங்க? Plasmid DNA. So and the DNA la enna irukonu? What is main content is present in the DNA அப்படினா DNA containing gene of interest. What is the meaning of the gene of interest அப்படினா, நமக்கு எந்த ஜீன் தேவையோ, okay, which type of genes we want, அத எந்த மாதிரி genes நமக்கு வேணும், which type of genes. For example, especially இப்ப நமக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு flower பிடிச்சிருக்கலாம், so அதே மாதிரி உள்ளது வேணும். So அந்த type of sometimes disease resistant இருக்கலாம், okay, or more yielding இருக்கலாம். Sir, any other, okay, we take any other character of plant or any other. Okay, so isolation of plasmid DNA and DNA contain gene of interest. விருப்பத்தால ஏதாவது ஒரு ஜீனால இருக்கும். So first select பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, what is this? This is a bacterium This is a bacterial chromosome. This is plasmid. Okay, plasmid is a circular DNA, already you know. So next is second process, gene inserted to plasmid. So which gene is inserted to plasmid? In the interest gene is inserted to plasmid. What is the meaning of the interest gene? எந்த ஜீன் நம்ம உள்ள இன்சர்ட் பண்ண போறோமோ நமக்கு தேவையோ. Okay, so interest gene. Okay, so second step, the gene inserted to plasmid. இந்த plasmid தனியா எடுக்கறாங்க. This is a recombinant DNA plasmids. Okay, இதுக்கு பேர் another name recombinant DNA. இதல நம்ம recombination பண்ண போறோம். So it is called recombinant DNA plasmids. Okay வா. So next one, plasmid put into the bacterial cell. What is this? Is a bacterial cell. So the gene of interest. So இந்த ஜெல்ல தான் நமக்கு வேணும். Gene we want the interest gene. Okay, gene of gene is inserted. Okay, gene of interest gene inserted in the plasmid. And the plasmid la insert பண்ணியாச்சு. So next fourth one, cells cloned with gene. So what is the meaning of next என்ன நடக்கும்? Multiplication. For example, simple, it is a PCR technique னு சொல்லுவோம். The technique என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா PCR technique. இப்ப போனா நம்ம கொரோனா வைரஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த PCR technique னு. What is the meaning of the PCR technique? Na polymerase chain reaction. Okay, polymerase chain reaction. So what is the meaning of the polymerase chain reaction? La enna nadakkum appadina, it's main is a laboratory technique da. Only use பண்ணக்கூடிய லேப்ல உள்ள techniques. What is the main use of this technique appadina? Used to more copies, used to make more copies of DNA. So sorry, more copies of particular region of DNA. So அதோட நிறைய copies என்ன செய்ய முடியும், எடுக்க முடியும். That is called polymerase. polyனால என்னது many. Okay, so polymerase chain reaction மூலமா so இங்க என்ன நடக்கும்? So gene of interest insert பண்ண உடனே cells cloned with the gene. So ஒவ்வொரு cells என்ன செய்யும், அதோட clone ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும். பாக்டீரியாவோட recombinant. So identification of recombinant designs in bacterium. So அப்ப அந்த designs in bacterium என்ன செய்ய ஆரம்பிக்கும், நிறைய clone, அதோட multiplication ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும். So next process என்ன ஆகும்னா various applications. So இதை எதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, so basic research of gene curve. So various techniques என்ன செய்யலாம், நம்ம வந்து multiply technique யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். So மெயினா அது எந்த மெத்தட்ல உள்ள பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஷார்ட்கன் மெத்தட் அப்படின்னா ஒரு கன் மாதிரி இருக்கும், அந்த பிளான்ட்ல யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடியது. ஸோ அது வழியாக என்ன செய்யலாம், அந்த டிசைட்ஸ்னா உள்ள அந்த பிளான்ட்டுக்குள்ள இன்சர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் டிசைட் ஷார்ட்கன் மெத்தட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி டிசைட்ஸ் இந்த மல்டிப்ளை பிசிஆர் டெக்னிக் மூலமா மல்டிப்ளை ஆக வச்சு ஸோ அதை ஷார்ட்கன் மெத்தட்ல உள்ள என்ன செய்வாங்க, இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி மெத்தட்ஸ் வேரியஸ் அப்ளிகேஷனுக்கு இந்த டிஎன்ஏ வந்து இந்த ரீகாம்பினன்ட் டிஎன்ஏ வந்து யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. This is a genetic engineering or rDNA or gene manipulation technique. Okay, so there are நிறைய நேம் இருக்குது. So what are the enzymes or the tools for genetic engineering அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா, so what are the tools for genetic engineering? So what are the tools are used for the அப்படினு இதுல என்ன tools, basic tools என்ன யூஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னா, some enzymes are necessary. So what are the enzymes அப்படினா காமனா பாத்தீங்கன்னா DNA ligase and restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease. What is DNA ligase? Ligase அப்படினாலே காமனா என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா joining enzyme. So what is the meaning of the ligase அப்படினாலே joining enzyme. Joining enzyme என்ன meaning? So ரெண்டையும் வந்து join பண்ண வைக்கிறது இந்த enzyme தான். So it is a next restriction endonuclease, otherwise called as a molecular scissor அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. molecular scissor. Why we called molecular scissor அப்படினா it is எதன் தெரியுமா, கட் பண்றதுக்கு உதவும். So it is called the molecular scissor அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So next பாத்தீங்கன்னா alkaline phosphate. So many other enzymes etc. So many enzymes are used in the genetic engineering field. Okay, do you understand the genetic engineering topic? Have you understood? Okay, so what we learned today, ma? The first topic, single cell protein. Okay, so what is single cell protein? So what are the microorganisms are involved in single cell protein process? Next, application of single cell protein. So next topic, what is genetic engineering? What is the main difference between the conventional technology and previous modern technology and conventional technology? Okay, conventional technology is man used for long time. Okay, so modern technology அப்படினா it is nowadays we are used. this type of technique. For example, genetic engineering or otherwise called as a recombinant DNA or DNA gene manipulation technique. Okay, so நிறைய நேம் இருக்குது. What is genetic engineering அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Gene transfer from one organism to another organism through vector. What is vector? Vector is act as a carrier. Okay, so carry பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போறது. இந்த first process என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Isolation of plasmid DNA and DNA containing the desired gene is present or desired DNA ல என்ன இருக்கும்? So desired character is present. நமக்கு எது தேவையோ அந்த character present ஆயிருக்கும். So gene inserted in the plasmid அப்படிங்கிறது is nothing but is a DNA recombinant DNA the plasmid அப்படினு சொல்றது. So plasmid is a circular DNA. The plasmid put in the bacterial cells அது கூட put பண்ண வச்சு என்ன செய்றாங்க அப்படினா gene of interest cell is insert. So next stage என்னாகும் cells clone with the cells எல்லாமே clone process நடக்கும். So recombinant desired gene bacteria வந்து PCR technique ல multiply பண்ண வைக்கிறாங்க, polymerase technique to make more copies. Okay, so various used for the various applications. So next இந்த shotgun method யூஸ் பண்றாங்க உள்ள insert பண்றதுக்கு. Okay va. Okay, next what are the tools for genetic engineering அப்படினா? So many enzymes are used as a genetic engineering field. The first one DNA ligase, restriction endonuclease and alkaline phosphate and many other enzymes are used in the biotechnology field. Okay, thank you students. Today home assignment. What are the steps are involved in rDNA technology? Homework. What are the steps involved in recombinant DNA technology? Thank you students.